What the heck? What on earth? They're sitting? They have pine green Air Jordan 1s at this Foot Locker. Guys, this is insane. Oh my gosh. Pine green Jordan 1s at Foot Locker during Boxing Day? Yo guys, before this video starts, I want to let you guys know about a crazy sale that DFace Streetwear is having right now. This sweater is actually from one of their collections, and they're having a really good Christmas sale, and you can use my promo code on top of the sale to get some really good discounts. So check them out, dfacestreetwear.com. I'll leave them linked down below. I love this sweater. I have a red and black sweater I wear all the time from them as well. So yeah, just want to let you guys know. With that said, today we're going to be going to the outlets. We're going to Von Mills for some Boxing Day shopping. So we're now on our way to Von Mills, and for those of you guys who don't know what Boxing Day is, it's basically Canadian Black Friday. So in America, you guys have Thanksgiving, and then the day after, you have a massive shopping day. It's probably the best time of the year to buy anything because everything goes on sale with some really steep discounts. Well, in Canada, we have Boxing Day, and it's the day after Christmas where everything goes on really good discounts, just like during Black Friday. So yeah, let's get started with this vlog, and I'll meet you guys over at Von Mills. Look at them! Like, look! So we're just getting to Von Mills right now, and I can already tell parking is going to be a big issue. This parking lot for Von Mills is actually really big, but people are parking like 10 minutes away from the mall, including the family I just showed you guys. Like they're still beside us right now, and they're walking like 10 minutes with their kids in the strollers to the mall because it's just less of a headache if you do it that way. There was even a police car just like out front near the nearby intersection in case there's any drama, because as you guys know, Black Friday shopping gets pretty hectic in the States, and I mean, Canadians are pretty polite, so I don't expect too many people to not say sorry. So yeah, anyways, let's just get inside and get the shopping underway. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is insane. I've never seen so many cars at a freaking mall before. This is why I shop online. They're parking on the curb. So the time is 11:03 p.m. This is when we're gonna start looking for parking.
No, you're not gonna be ahead.
If this car tries to go in that parking spot, even though we called it, I'm gonna have to get out and fight someone.
I'm tipping this guys for video evidence in case anything bad happens. That's what's going on.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can tell. Like... All right, so that wasn't that bad actually. Parking only took us like 3 minutes. That's like regular parking time, you could say, if you're just shopping on like a weekend at a mall. So very happy about that. Now I have a small little sad announcement to make in this video. My phone is at 8%, so it doesn't look like I'll be able to do the Instagram story polls that I wanted to do for this video, where I have you guys vote on what I buy. So I'm just gonna show you guys all the sneakers in the store, and we'll have a fun little challenge out of what the best sneaker is that I can buy for $100. So you guys gotta comment down below if you guys think there was a better sneaker in the store that I could have bought. But yeah, let's go see what we have. Holy cow, guys. So there's a line to get inside of the Adidas store right behind me. There's at least what looks like 30 or 40 people right behind me. So I'm gonna have to line up. I'm not sure how long the lineup's gonna take. I'm sure there's also a lineup at the Nike outlet too. So I'm not looking forward to this at all. But it looks like they have a sale of 50% off a bunch of stuff inside of the Adidas store. So let's wait in line and see how long it takes to get in. All right, so we're here inside of the Adidas outlet, and all of these sneakers here are gonna,
You're running a vlog?
Alright, so that's the first. We actually got shut down for filming inside of the Adidas outlet. I think some random employee came up to me and was like, hey, I know you're filming, but you can't be vlogging inside of here. So we're gonna stop by the Foot Locker real quick inside of the Von Mills shopping center and see what they have here. It is crowded today though. Lots and lots of people shopping today. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's take a look at the Nike section first. So here's a look at the Nike sneakers. We got a bunch of Vapor Maxes, but nothing really on sale besides this purple colorway of the Vapor Max. We got the Vapor Max Pluses. Love these. White colorway, 25% off. We got this cool colorway of the 95s. Really gives me these summer throwback kind of vibes. We got these from Foot Locker. They sent me those a while ago. And we got this new color. It has the Air Max Plus bottoms, the Air Max TN's bottoms, but the Air Max 97 upper. We got this new black and yellow colorway as well. And they just dropped the OG colorways of the Vapor Max Plus. This is the purple colorway that just dropped. Really like this. This will go well with your purple Vape hoodie. And then they also released the blue version as well. One of the OG colorways. These are really nice, but they're going for full retail price, no extra discount. And last but not least, they also have the OG colorway. Absolutely love these. I'm tempted to buy them, but I feel like they'll end up on sale for a little bit. So we're gonna wait and see if we can buy these on sale later on. In terms of the other shoes on sale, we got some Vapor Max Plus right here. We have a yellow colorway for $180. Then we have this aqua colorway for $180 as well. See, this is the colorway I wanted to buy, but I was like, I know it's gonna go on sale, and sure enough, it did. Here's a look at the Nike running shoes that they got. Nothing too crazy. They have these new Air Max 1s that just came out. They're not on sale, but it is a new colorway that they have, going for 145 Canadian. They have a few colorways of the Nike Cortez for 25% off. This is pretty solid. They have the Air Force 1 Low Wheats for an extra 25% off. Here's a look at the Nike sneakers that they got. They got the new color of the Air Monarchs, M2K Techno, I believe they're called. This is pretty solid. $100 for these Air Force 1 Lows with the 2 swooshes. What the heck? What on earth? They're sitting. They have pine green Air Jordan 1s at this Foot Locker. What size are these? What size are these, guys? This is insane. Oh my gosh. Pine green Jordan 1s at Foot Locker during Boxing Day. These are unfortunately a size 14, nowhere near size 10, and definitely not a size where you can resell it. So I'm just gonna have to put these back. Here's the rest of the Air Jordans that they have. They got the International 5s for an extra 25% off. I've seen these at the outlet, so I'm not too impressed with that. They have a new colorway of the Jordan 1 Mid, black and purple. They have the deconstructed Air Jordan 1 for pretty much half price, but the way the shoe looks on the shelf, it's definitely not going to entice anyone to buy them. Yo, it is so packed though inside of Foot Locker. Like, you can hardly walk around. There's like people everywhere. If you're claustrophobic, you're not going to have a good time. I think this might be the best Jordan on sale. They have 2 of them, the Jordan Legacy 312s in this red colorway for 180 Canadian, down from 195. That's only $15 off, or yeah, that's not big on the discounts, unfortunately. And then they also have a black colorway as well for $179.99. Again, these are Canadian prices, so take off an extra 30% if you're an American viewer watching this right now. Here's a look at the Vans that they have. $69.99, $69.99, 50% off these. That's not bad. But they do have a Vans outlet inside of this mall, so we're gonna go there in a second for part 2 of the vlog. We got the Japan themed $49.99 Vans slip-ons right here, down from $75. We got a beige colorway of the Skate Highs as well, 50% off. They don't have the ones with the calligraphy on the side, but they have the ones with the tiger patch on the side. Pretty cool. More Japan vlogs on the way. Here's to look at more of the Vans. They got these cool ones on sale for $69.99. That's $10 off. So now we're at the Adidas section of Foot Locker, and I think these are the best steals and deals in the entire store. So we got some Ultra Boost 4.0s, $50 off. That's 20% off for the triple white. They got this black and white here as well for 200 bucks. So we got the golden ones for $50 off as well. They got the silvers here. These look really good. I might have to buy these ones today. This is a really, really nice colorway. And then they got the bronze here as well. So I might have to grab these. Size 10. My size, it might go down. It might just go down. Here's a look at more of the Adidas section. We got the Adidas Swift runs, $80 on sale. These are not on sale. That's really surprising. Maybe the tag fell off. They have a really clean colorway of the Adidas Young 96. This reminds me of the brand new Yeezy Mauves that just came out, the 700. Black in this like neon yellow for $100. That's $70 US. We also have the white version as well. Really clean. Definitely a good sneaker to consider picking up if you missed out on the 500 salts and you're salty about that. Here we have the, I was gonna say Calabasas. It's the Continental 80, I think it's called. Yep, so you got the neon yellow or frozen yellow, white and black colorways, and this the blue tint, yeah, blue tint and pink, all $100, down from 20, so $20 off, not too bad. Check this out, they got 25% off all of the clothing in the store as well, so it's just a massive pile. All the shoppers have just like thrown it back onto the racks, so there's no organization. It's gonna be hard to sell this stuff if it's not organized. They even have some Nike apparel as well, so they got jackets, hoodies, and some sweatpants for an extra 25% off. These are fresh too, 25% off these like Adidas quilted jackets. They got a maroon colorway, they got an olive colorway, great for the fall and winter, and of course they got the classic black. Ooh, this is pretty fresh. 25% off these like velour Adidas tracksuits. Regular price is $120, so that 25% off is really gonna come clutch. Yeah, they have these in the black colorway. They also have a maroon color scheme as well. It's sort of like a deep dark red, like a mahogany, you could say. Now Now this is what I'm talking about. They got a sales table here at the Foot Locker. Looks like they got these Air Max 1s for $100. They got these Air Force 1s for $100 as well. We got the all red October colorway of the Nike Hirachis, $100. Not too bad. What the heck? The Kyrie Low Floras. Are these $100?
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, these are on sale at Foot Locker for the Boxing Day sale. Forget the regular price, but they're going for $70 US or 100 Canadian. They only have size 11 and 12 left, no size 10. If they had size 10, this would have been an instant cop. The last shoes on the table for the $100 sale. They got these simple Air Max 1s, gum bottom, beige upper, black upper here, $100, 70 US. And they also have a black version as well. Really clean, definitely something you can wear every single day. And then on the other side, they actually have a Timberland and like boot table. So all these boots are going for $100. Pretty solid, 70 US. We got these Nike Air Invest 6s for $100 or 70 Canadian. These are some pretty cool boots from Timberland. $100 for these ones, 70 US. Not your typical 6-inch Tim, more of like a tech wear kind of aesthetic. Usually I don't like the new Timberland boots. Usually the 6-inch is like the best way to go, but these are overall pretty decent. And if you're curious what these boots are, they're these ones here. They are the City Force Reveal leather boots, and they're a limited release as well. So you can't sleep on these, guys. Okay. This is a pretty dope Levi's hoodie, $98. I think it's full retail price, but really nice like plaid all over with the Levi's logo on the front. Mess with this, they got some Fila here too. Here's some more Fila hoodies, but I don't believe these are on sale. So purple, black. You can take an extra 25% off these regular Adidas hoodies. Can't go wrong with the basic Adidas logo hoodie. Pretty solid overall. How much is the price? $90, so $90 with an extra 25 off. So there you have it. That's our time at Foot Locker for Boxing Day. They also had an apparel rack with an extra 50% off with a ton of different jackets, but it was super crowded and there was no way I was going to be able to film and show you guys what they had for sale. So I think now we're going to go over to the food court. Oh my gosh, the food court is absolutely packed. I've never seen the food court so packed before in my life. It's almost as bad as the parking lot. If you guys made it to the end of this first vlog, part 1, comment down below Bourbon Gang, and I'll catch you guys in part 2 of this vlog.